beautiful short signal showed up today, guys, on the master indicator, and yup, you guessed it, guys, we have now crushed it for 200 ticks a day for 3 days in a row. Let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. It is good to be with you. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Wednesday, April 24th of 2024. Market's about to close in about 20 minutes. Wanted to knock out this video for you guys before I sign out for the day. And yep, you guessed it, guys. The afternoon session seems to be where the action is. Matter of fact, for all you guys out there that take trading seriously, I hope that you got a chance to watch my most recent handful of videos, specifically this one right here, all right, where I talk about trading only 1 hour per day. And what I mean by that is either the morning session or the afternoon session. And what I did in the video was try to show you some live use cases and prove to you, beyond any shadow of a doubt, that this idea and this strategy works. So if we go back and take a look at the chart, by the way, guys, this is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. I don't know what it is about the NASDAQ, but this symbol is on fire. All right, we've literally been crushing it. I mean, 200 plus ticks each and every day is almost becoming normal now. You know what I mean? Like, it's almost, I have to pinch myself because I can't believe it. In my humble opinion, it's literally too easy. Anyway, what are the indicators loaded onto the chart? Well, the first thing that should jump out at you is you can see our green and red proprietary volume indicator color band overlaid on top of the chart. This thing, in my humble opinion, just straight up nails the trend, man. All right, look at this thing turn red right here. Can you see that? You should be able to see this. Turn from green into red at this exact moment in time. Matter of fact, look at the prior trend. I was kicking myself because I missed this. Silly me, I went on lunch. But look at this thing turn green. You understand what I'm saying? Like, this is the raw, incredible power of trading volume. Anyway, let me get you dialed into my live trades from today. All right, take a look at this beautiful short. Okay, by the way, why did I go short here? Well, when we get a trend change, the first thing we want to see is what? A downtrend be established. Then the second thing that we want to see is what? Yup, you guessed it. We want to see a pullback, aka a retracement, which happened to perfection today, as you can see right over here. Matter of fact, there were 2 retracements. If you missed the first one, you might have been able to jump on the second one. All right, and of course you can also see here, this is the location where I get to break even. This is your standard one-to-one profit targets. STP number 1 means short take profit number 1. You guys should know that by now. And of course, the money bag. This is where I make the majority of my winning trades. Like, I'm counting on this right here, STP number 2. This stands for short take profit number 2. The second half of my position is where I make what I call the big boy trade for a shocking 200 plus ticks today. I mean, it's literally becoming too easy. However, guys and gals, the most important takeaway that I want you to glean from this video is, yep, you guessed it, my theory on trading the afternoon session. I don't know why, but some of my most profitable setups are coming in the afternoon session. Matter of fact, take a look at the x-axis here, right? You can see this. This short trade that I took printed at 1:09 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, that's the sweet spot, right? You guys have heard me say that repeatedly. And then take a look at where I closed this trade, guys and gals. Just 20 minutes later, around 1:30 p.m., we bagged 200 ticks. So when I tell you that there's a lot of potential opportunities trading one of the 2 sessions, either the morning session or what's becoming my favorite is the afternoon session, I'm telling you guys, try this theory for yourself, man. Matter of fact, I heard from 3 of my customers today who saw the video that I did about trading just 1 hour a day in the afternoon, and all 3 of them used the vol today to catch this exact retracement trade right here. So congrats to all of my people who used the vol successfully today. I'm so proud of you. Matter of fact, for those of you guys that stuck around and traded This retracement right here, take a look at that one, right? This was the lunchtime retracement right here. This gorgeous retracement right here, this was close to 400 ticks. Okay, big shout out to you if you nailed this one before lunch. I did not, but I still was able to make a nice 200 plus tick profit. And you know the deal, folks. As long as you are profitable for that trading session, then life is good. Once again, big shout out and congratulations to all you guys that crushed it today. I cannot believe it's been 3 days in a row, and I cannot wait to show you how this thing's gonna perform tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.